Let's start with the unboxing of this extra large self-cleaning litter box. Right away, I can see it's packaged very securely with thick padding and protective wrap around all the major parts. Inside the box, you'll find the main litter box unit with the rotating drum already pre-installed, the stylish cat ear lid, and the waste drawer that slides into the base. Also included are a dust brush for quick cleanups and a scented puck with a special holder that fits inside the drawer to help keep odors under control. We also have the power adapter and a detailed instruction manual. Everything feels solid, organized, and well thought out, which makes a great first impression. Now let's set it up. The first step is removing all the protective packaging, like the shipping tape and red security tabs that lock the drum in place during transport. Once those are out of the way, take the waste drawer and place one of the included plastic liner bags inside. This will make cleanup so much easier later on. All you'll need to do is tie off the bag and replace it. Slide the drawer back into the base until it clicks. Next, insert the scented puck into its holder and place it in the drawer. This helps keep the area fresh in between cleanings. Finally, place the cat ear lid securely on top of the unit. The whole process is straightforward, even if you've never assembled something like this before, and it only takes about 10 minutes from start to finish. Now let's see it in action. After your cat finishes using the box, the system automatically starts a cleaning cycle. The drum rotates slowly, sifting through the litter and separating out the clumps. Waste is dropped neatly into the sealed drawer below, while the clean litter is returned back into the main compartment. The process is very quiet, only about 35 decibels, and extremely smooth, so it won't disturb you or your cat. This feature keeps the litter box fresh and hygienic every single time, without the hassle of daily scooping. You can also download the Smart app to control the litter box right from your phone. The app makes it easy to track your cat's weight and usage, adjust settings, and even change the ambient lighting to a variety of calming colors. And here's my cat inspecting her new litter box for the very first time. She may take a little while to fully adjust, but her curiosity is already winning her over. A huge thank you to the brand for sending us this automatic litter box. It's a complete game changer for keeping her space clean and my home fresh.